Query fan out simply is, instead of doing a single search for a certain query, when you put in a prompt, whether it's in ChatGPT and especially Google, it is going to perform multiple queries, right? This makes the search ecosystem so much more complex than it's ever been. Instead of just being like, hey, like how am I performing for one query and how is AI getting information for that? You have for every one query, you have to take in multiple permutations of that query into consideration. That is one of the most common ways that AI searches, and AI from those searches is pulling different results, is pulling the results in, likely chunking the content in those individual results, then pulling it all together, aggregating the information, looking for consensus among the different snippets that it pulled, and then returning a result. So query fan out is going to be critical to understanding how AI systems are searching, because we're at a point where we have to understand, one, how our users use, whether it's Google with AI mode, Gemini, ChatGPT, how are they using those systems? And then how are those systems actually performing searches against the web to find out that information? That is what a fan-out query is. One query is becoming multiple permutations. That's true across Google. It's true across ChatGPT. The good news is, after a lot of analysis, we can see that there's actually a lot of similar behaviors. So it's not like we have to choose whether we optimize for one versus the other. There's already a lot of similarities in like how these systems are working and retrieving information, especially for transactional commercial queries.